Hey guys, I'm SartorialPhil. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my first unboxing for the Loewe and Studio Ghibli collaboration. I believe this is their last collaboration with the animation studio. So this is the third one with Howl's Moving Castle. You can see they also had the special edition packaging as well. This is a smaller leather good item, and it is the Calcifer dice pocket. Originally, I thought it meant that this was used to hold dice or die, but it actually refers to this the metal anagram up here, because it does protrude. It is 3D and it does protrude from the bag. If you can see inside of it, that's actually the strap, because the strap is convertible. It's not necessarily adjustable in that you can adjust the length, but what you can do is double it up so that you can use it as like a shoulder bag. I'll show you in a little bit. And it connects to this as well, which this kind of acts like a little tassel. And much like their previous collections, it's the leather cutout effect marquetry. And you can see the stitch work here as well. I will say with this one, I noticed the stitch work is not as precise. I don't know if it was just this bag or maybe with this collaboration, they decided to make more of these, more pieces, since they typically sell out. And this retails for $890, so it's one of the definitely less expensive leather goods item for this size. But basically inside is just one pocket. So on the inside, it's a darker brown leather, but there's no compartments and it's a little hard to open it. And this is the back. It does have a card slot. I don't really know if this is that practical because it's stitched in and there's really not a lot of give, so at most I feel like you could really store one card. And this is with the convertible strap I was talking about. So what you would do is you would guide this strap in and it loops through the dice. So you can make this longer, and once you do that, as you start guiding it, this strap is going to serve as the second strap. So you basically like have almost halved the bag drop or the strap length so that you can use it more of a shoulder strap. And I'll show you what both looks like on just a little bit later. And then you can just pull it back and it'll basically snap back into the crossbody length because that's how it is shipped. And so there's already you could see the bend to the leather where it goes through the loop. And then the last thing is the bottom has Loewe stamped on it. So the bag will stand up. You can kind of see here. All right, and I'll quickly show you what can kind of fit inside. Like I said, it's a pretty slim pocket. So in terms of the width, because you can see with the straps, you can't actually fit something the full width. It's between the straps. And basically like a standard passport will fit. There's really not much more width. So if your item is thin and wide like a passport, it will fit. Getting it out is a little bit tricky because you kind of have to go fishing for it since it's not super tall, but you can fit like a standard passport. I don't think I would just put in just cash, so I would have my wallet in there. And with my other what fits, I'll usually have like a lip balm, some hand lotion, but you can see it's already getting pretty stuffed. And in order to get my wallet, I pretty much have to get everything out. And then lastly, I would see if I can put my keys in here, which I can make it fit, although it's kind of near the top. So it's not necessarily the safest because anyone can really just easily reach right in and grab it. But I would say that's pretty much full. You can't really carry too much after that. So that's kind of what I could fit inside a card wallet, passport, a slim chapstick, maybe some hand cream, and then your keys. And next I'm going to show you what it looks like on. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and check out my Instagram page for the latest updates and exclusive contents. There will be another Loewe and Studio Ghibli collaboration unboxing, so watch out for that.